Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Webflow for no-code app building, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.webflow.com and press enter. Once the Webflow homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Webflow dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password. If you're a new user and don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information on the Sign Up page. Once completed, confirm your email to activate your account. After logging in, you can start exploring Webflow's features. This includes creating a new project and using their no-code tools. Remember to save your work in the dashboard as you progress. Happy app building with Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.